hello my divas. You might be wondering why this isn't a Dragon Puppet video or a lip sync or a regular Cortex video. That's besides the point. Sorry for my people who watch my videos who are Dragon Puppeteers. I need to catch up on my videos. But that's not why I'm here. I'm here to tell you I want to draw your OCs, your dragons, or your masks. Yeah, if you want me to do that, put it in the community, post a picture. And for the OC part, it'll probably just be a headshot. Same for the dragons. Of course, mask. There's nothing to draw other than the mask. But not humans for the OCs. I'm sorry, you only have human OCs. I'm trash at humans, and I don't want to make a trash drawing and you'd be disappointed if you see this, because it'll most likely flop. But yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.